I'm gonna join your devotion.
I can comment if you want.
No, I will walk.
Send this to Pastor Brian right now.
Oh yeah. Not good.
ជំរាបសួរពុកម៉ែបងប្អូនអរគ្នាថ្ងៃនេះគឺជាថ្ងៃទី3ដែលខ្ញុំធ្វើការនៅខេត្តសៀមរាបហើយចាប់ផ្ដើមដោយការរត់ចំនួន6គីឡូជាមួយនឹងចូលអញ្ចឹងសូមបងប្អូនអរគ្នាតាមដានវីដេអូនៃការងាររបស់ខ្ញុំមួយថ្ងៃពេញនៅក្នុងខេត្តសៀមរាបនិងខេត្តបាត់ដំបងចូលចម្លាស់ខ្ញុំទៅធ្វើដំណើរទៅគេបាត់ដំបងនេះយក
Hey, after 6 kilometer run. Oh, sụtชื่น
เข็มขัดอันดีนะนี่ซื้อเข็มขัดมา
ทำอะไรทำยังไง
Luxury
testimony ของ church member เรานัดไว้8 โมงเช้าแต่ตอนนี้7 โมง 50
เรามันคนตรงเวลา
58 เดิน2
58เดิน
2 นาทีถึงโบสถ์เลย National Road number 6 of Cambodia. This is the highway that cross to another province. សួរលោកគ្រូ
How are you sir? Good.
សួរលោកគ្រូសួរ
ឥឡូវយើងក៏បានរៀបចំកាមេរ៉ារួចរាល់ហើយយើងមាន tripod មួយហើយចង់បញ្ជាក់ថាបងចូលគាត់ក៏បានរើសយកទីតាំងមួយនៅចំហៀងផ្ទះរបស់លោកគ្រូនឹងតែម្ដងហើយទីតាំងហ្នឹងមាន background ជាមួយនឹងផ្កាដូចជំរាបសួរបងអញ្ចឹងណាដូចជំរាបសួរបងអញ្ចឹងហើយណៃនិយាយរឿងបងប្អូនឥឡូវអូខេយើងសមណា
วันนี้ผมจะพาพี่โจไปกินขนมจีนวันที่ 3 ขนมจีน
ก๋วยเตี๋ยวนี่ขนมจีน
ថ្ងៃនេះយើងចេញដំណើរទៅបន្ទាប់ពីថតវីដេអូបងអូនស្រីហើយយើងក៏ចាប់ដើមចេញដំណើរទៅរកអាហារពេលព្រឹកហូបដើម្បីមុនចេញទៅធ្វើការបន្តទៀតហើយអាហារពេលព្រឹករបស់យើងថ្ងៃនេះគឺនាំបងចូលទៅសាកនៅនំបញ្ចុកខ្មែរលើកដំបូងនៅក្នុងជីវិតរបស់គាត់
នេះនាំพี่โจនាំបងโจមកញ៉ាំនំបញ្ចុកនៅហាង The Black Forest ណែនាំដោយអ្នកគ្រូនេះសួរបងនេះសួរសុកញ៉ាំ2នាក់បង
บ้าน
The Black Forest តែพี่โจណាพี่โจน่าจะสวยเนี่ยโอเคนูโด
ราคาอาหารก็อยู่ที่ประมาณ
2 เหรียญ
2 เหรียญ
នំបញ្ចុកនេះខ្លះបងស្លខ្មែរហើយនឹងអានេះគេការីណាការីយ៉ាងអូខេសុំស្លខ្មែរ2នេះគឺខ្មែរ noodle รสชาติยังไงได้บ้าง
ก็ใช่ก็อร่อยนะก็เหมือนขนมจีนน้ำยาปลากะทิ
In Cambodia we have only
เขาเรียกอะไรนะขนมจีนน้ำยาปลากะทิใช่ไหมครับขนมจีน น้ำยากะทิ
in Cambodia we have only two type of noodle it's a curry and this one this is សម្លប្រហើរ អញ្ចឹងការងារទី2របស់ខ្ញុំនៅក្នុងថ្ងៃនេះគឺចេញទៅថតនៅក្នុងថតវីដេអូជាឯកសារសម្រាប់ការអញ្ជើញនិងការចែកខិត្តប័ណ្ណដល់បងប្អូននៅក្នុងភូមិគ្រោះណាគេធ្វើអាវនេះបាទណាគេធ្វើអាវនេះសាលា logo ណាគេធ្វើ
logo គូបញ្ញា
គ្រូបញ្ញា
លោកបញ្ញា
អ Yeah, we invite them to come and join this coming Thursday evening. And
អានេះគឺជាទឹកមុខបន្ទាប់ពីចេញថតបាន3ម៉ោងដើរតាមភូមិហើយលើកកាមេរ៉ាផងកតាបខ្ញុំក្រោយខ្នងហ្នឹងទម្ងន់5-10គីឡូផាច់ខ្ទង់ប៉ុណ្ណឹង5-10គីឡូជាមួយនឹងកាមេរ៉ាផងអីផងហើយយើងក៏ដើរបន្ទាប់ពីការងារចប់ហ្នឹងយើងកំពុងដើរទៅពហិវិញដើម្បីហូបអាហារថ្ងៃត្រង់
Kalau apa hotel pakai kita bala bos konsert ya. Mau ke cara sisa dah mana mau tahu.
อาหารเที่ยง
Siap ya mula. เปียกทั้งตัวเลย
โอเคจอยพี่เจอ
เสื้อ
อันนี้แกงหน่อไม้พี่
อ๋อ
แกงหน่อไม้ใส่กะทิ
โอเค
ใส่กะทิเมียนตีโดงก่อน
เนี่ย
ใส่กะทิพี่หน่อไม้ใส่กะทิ
with the bamboo shoot
รสชาติยังไง
ไม่เหมือน
ไม่เคยกินเลยโอเคให้อร่อยไหม อร่อย so now we going to get a cold coconut we just finish our lunch walking to get a coconut បងសុំตักកូលែន10ធំ2ដបអាចជាដល់បេះដូងយកកូលែនណាយកកូលែនអត់យកផ្សេងអត់ជាក្បាល10កូលែនមីខែមិនយេន
Apa jaga dah?
Aku 10ធំ10ធំได้ละ Oh hanya so good come to Cambodia Habibi affordable coconut ចាស់ក៏មកถึงแล้ว
បន្ទាប់ពីការងារចប់ទៅប៉ាសាសំឆៃក៏បានមកដល់សៀមរាបដែរដោយសារគាត់ធ្វើដំណើរនៅក្នុងថ្ងៃហ្នឹងតែម្ដងពីបាងកកមកសៀមរាបហើយខ្ញុំចាំគាត់ដល់ពេលដែលគាត់មកដល់ខ្ញុំឡើងឡានជាមួយគាត់ពីក្រុងសៀមរាបហ្នឹងមកបាត់ដំបងឥឡូវយើងបានមកដល់ក្រុងបាត់ដំបងនៅ Center of Influence នៅក្រុងបាត់ដំបងតែម្ដង
The most famous vegan restaurant in Battambang.
Yeah, there you go.
Okay. Ngày xưa Ngày xưa
Hi, good. Good to see you back. Yeah. How was your trip? Good.
Bye for cái sau. Bye for cái sau. Yeah. Ngày xưa nãy ngày xưa. So now we are in Mana kitchen. Pastor going to have light dinner here.
Yep.
Appetizer.
แล้วพวกยูมานี่เอามาม่าไปด้วยป่ะ
เอามา
เอ้ยเก่งอ่ะเอ้ย
มาครับใช่ไหมครับ
เฮ้ยพวกเดี๋ยวภรรยาผมเขาไม่ค่อยชอบให้ผมกินมาม่าแต่ว่าผมกิน
This is Korean spring roll.
Yeah. We can have that.
Spring roll
Who is this?
Anything spicy.
Oh.
Hot spicy.
Chili. Nó là món này.
Spicy because restaurant này bánh chữ sang restaurant.
Yeah, I know.
คืออันนี้ก็บอกว่าคืออะไรนะอันนั้นตาม
This one? Okay, let's do that because that keeps the balance.
Sure.
Keeps the balance. We have that. We can all share.
Sure.
อันนั้น
Okay.
And then I'll give you extra pepper.
Oh, okay.
Okay, our food have rice.
นี่กินอย่างนี้นะ
กินยังไง
อย่างนั้นเหรอ
ไม่รู้ครับจัด
They gave us a chopstick and spoon. Okay. We are done eating and now heading to hotel. And tomorrow we have a recording of this building, beautiful center. This is our hotel. So I can eat breakfast 2 times. I'm gonna join your devotional.
Oh, so I can come and pick you up.
No, I will walk.
You can walk?
Yeah.
Okay, they want to walk. Okay.
Because I need to do a jogging this morning as well. Okay.
Thank you, good night, Bazaar.
Okay.
Thank you,
To-
Abdul.
Where are you guys staying?
Which floor?
514, right?
How about yours, sir?
5? Oh, it's just all 5.
Okay.
Oh, 511.
11 here,
We
sir.
need to give him something on the way. You have any?
I have.
I have.
I have, sir. I have. No, don't worry.
Yeah, okay. Give it to him first. 511. Here, mine.
Here's our room tonight. Oh, 2 beds with a table. I can do assignment tonight. Proper place to do assignment because full night already. There's no proper table for me to do assignment. TV, I think that a bit old, but big space, my friend. ใหญ่มาก and this is our president room. Oh, don't fight.
Send this to Pastor Brian right now.
Oh yeah. Take picture.
This is the best donuts ever.
You close your door?
Not
you
yet.
close your door? You better close your door.
Yeah. Let him choose.
Okay, let's choose first.
But this one Pastor Somchai got it from Bangkok first.
បន្ទាប់ពីមកដល់ខេត្តបាត់ដំបងហើយសកម្មភាពរបស់យើងថ្ងៃនេះក៏ចប់ត្រឹមហ្នឹងហើយគឺត្រូវសម្រាប់ឲ្យព្រឹកឡើងទៅធ្វើការបន្តនៅថ្ងៃទី4នៅក្រុងបាត់ដំបងជួបនៅវីដេអូក្រោយបងប្អូនអរគ្នា